Today I will talk about the most controversial subject. No, I will not talk about politics. Remember, it's a cooking channel. Today I will talk about farmer's cheese. Yes, correct, farmer's cheese. If you read online forums and follow cooking groups about the subject, you will find a lot of variations of how to do it right. I will not argue how to do it right or wrong. Today I want to show you the most simple recipe which will only take you about 15 minutes and minimum efforts and preparation, and this recipe worked for many years. So today I will be making Russian style farmer's cheese, which is also known as... To make farmer's cheese we only need two main ingredients: milk 1 gallon and buttermilk 1/4 of a gallon. As you noticed, I'm a big Trader Joe's fan. Step number 1. In a large pot, boil 1 gallon of milk with a pinch of salt and sugar. Closely watch the process. If you miss the boiling point, your kitchen might look very messy. Be patient and wait a bit. As soon as milk starts to boil, add 1/4 of a buttermilk to the pot and let it simmer for about 20 minutes on a low or medium. Step number 2. Using the cheesecloth and colander, slowly pour the cheese into the cloth to catch the curds. Let it sit there and drain as it cools down. Squeeze the cloth tight and get the most of the liquid out. You can adjust how dry you want your farmer's cheese to be by how much liquid you squeeze out. Now you can hang it on the kitchen faucet to drain the remaining liquid. It might take about an hour. And this is all it takes. Keep farmer's cheese refrigerated for 1 week. You can eat it by itself, with honey or jam, and it pairs well with pretty much any fruit. You can also make curd cheese pancakes, which are also called sirniki. For this recipe, you need to make your farmer's cheese very dry. I will show you how to make sirniki in the air fryer in my next video. I hope you like this recipe, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.